Imagine if the secret to vibrant health and longevity in your golden years was as simple as what you put on your plate. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, what if I told you that 8 specific foods have the power to transform not just your diet, but your entire quality of life? These aren't just any foods. They are nutrient-packed game changers, scientifically proven to boost energy, enhance brain function, and even support heart health. In this video, we're diving deep into why these 8 must-have foods deserve a permanent spot on every senior's plate. But that's not all. I'll be revealing a simple recipe for each food that makes it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. And wait until you hear about the shocking truth behind the foods you might currently be eating. Some of them could actually be sabotaging your health. Stick around because I promise you won't want to miss the life-changing tips coming your way that could redefine your approach to aging gracefully. What could these amazing foods be? The countdown starts now.
Aging is an inevitable process, but thriving as we age is a choice that starts with the food we eat. Scientific research increasingly highlights how certain foods can boost energy levels, sharpen cognitive function, and help maintain independence as we grow older. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods, we can address many of the unique nutritional challenges associated with aging, such as decreased nutrient absorption, chronic conditions, and a reduced appetite. Here are 8 essential foods that should be part of every senior's diet, along with their proven health benefits. Leafy greens, a nutritional powerhouse. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients that are critical for aging adults. They are especially rich in vitamin K, a nutrient essential for bone health. Studies have shown that adequate intake of vitamin K helps reduce the risk of fractures by supporting calcium absorption and bone mineralization. These greens also contain folate, which plays a key role in cellular health and red blood cell production. Folate deficiencies have been linked to increased risks of anemia and cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, magnesium found in leafy greens supports muscle function and helps alleviate muscle cramps, which are common in older adults. The fiber content promotes digestive health, helping to alleviate constipation, a frequent issue for seniors. Antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, present in leafy greens, protect eye health by reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and improving overall visual function. Research indicates these antioxidants may also help reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline. Fatty fish, a guardian for the heart and brain. Fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are among the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, particularly EPA and DHA, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to support heart health by lowering triglyceride levels and reducing blood pressure. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that regular consumption of omega-3s significantly lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases, a leading health concern for seniors. Omega-3s are equally beneficial for brain health. They promote communication between brain cells and protect against age-related cognitive decline. A study from the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease revealed that seniors with higher omega-3 levels showed slower rates of cognitive deterioration. Fatty fish are also a rich source of vitamin D, which supports bone health by enhancing calcium absorption. Given that the body's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight decreases with age, fatty fish become an increasingly vital dietary component. Berries, nature's anti-aging allies. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are excellent additions to a senior's diet due to their high antioxidant content. These compounds neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which accelerate the aging process. Research from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry indicates that anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for berries' vibrant colors, improve brain function by enhancing communication between neurons. Berries are also a valuable source of fiber, aiding in digestive health and preventing constipation. Vitamin C, abundant in these fruits, supports immune function and contributes to collagen production, which maintains skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. Regular consumption of berries has been linked to improved memory and reduced risk of cognitive decline, making them a crucial food for seniors concerned about brain health. Whole grains, the foundation for sustained energy. Whole grains, such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice, offer a wealth of nutrients that are particularly important for seniors. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them more nutritious. Fiber helps regulate digestion, reduces the risk of constipation, and lowers LDL cholesterol levels, contributing to heart health. The complex carbohydrates in whole grains provide steady, sustained energy without causing blood sugar spikes, a key benefit for those managing diabetes. Quinoa, a standout among whole grains, is also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent option for seniors who may struggle to consume enough protein through other sources. Magnesium, B vitamins, and iron found in whole grains further support muscle function, energy production, and overall health. Eggs, a nutrient-dense staple. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-rich foods available, providing high-quality protein essential for maintaining muscle mass and physical strength. Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, is a common issue among seniors, and eggs help combat this by promoting muscle repair and growth. Eggs are also an excellent source of vitamin B12, a nutrient vital for nerve function, red blood cell production, and cognitive health. Research shows that vitamin B12 deficiencies are common in older adults and can lead to symptoms such as fatigue and memory loss. In addition, eggs contain choline, which supports brain health and plays a role in memory and learning. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs contribute to eye health, protecting against macular degeneration and other vision-related issues. Legumes, plant-based nutritional powerhouses. Lentils, beans, and chickpeas are nutrient-dense options that provide plant-based protein, dietary fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, while fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Legumes are particularly beneficial for seniors managing type 2 diabetes or looking to improve cardiovascular health. Iron, abundant in legumes, prevents anemia by supporting red blood cell production. Folate, another key nutrient, promotes heart health by reducing homocysteine levels, which are associated with cardiovascular diseases. Studies have also shown that the high fiber and protein content in legumes contribute to weight management by promoting satiety and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Nuts and seeds, small foods with big benefits. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and other nuts and seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants. Research from the New England Journal of Medicine highlights that regular consumption of nuts is associated with reduced risks of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly prevalent in walnuts, are known to support brain health, reduce inflammation, and improve mood. Vitamin E, found in almonds, acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage and supports skin health. The fiber in nuts and seeds also contributes to better digestion and blood sugar regulation. Olive oil, a heart-healthy bonus. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Studies from The Lancet have shown that replacing saturated fats with olive oil can improve cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure. Its vitamin E content protects against cell damage and promotes cardiovascular health. The science of healthy aging. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into daily meals, seniors can improve bone strength, maintain muscle mass, enhance cognitive function, and bolster their immune systems. Proper nutrition also helps prevent chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, osteoporosis, and age-related macular degeneration. Adopting a balanced diet that prioritizes whole, unprocessed foods can make a significant difference in maintaining independence and quality of life as we age. It's never too late to start making healthier choices. Small changes today can lead to big benefits tomorrow.